orders. What is it? How does it work? How do you use then the order history you see here? In the menu is for the customer. The customer after ordering can press this magic button that generates the report of his orders with order number, date, time, total, currency, payment system, offline, payment on receipt. If it was PayPal, it would come out PayPal. If it was Bitcoin, it would come out Bitcoin, etc. Product name, spec, and BRI. Because this is the pizzeria demo store, you can search it on Telegram and you can try to make as many orders as you want, product, quantity, price. You can save it to CSV file, save it to PDF, or forward it to whomever you need to. While the merchant also has his own